Good morning. So I'm here at the Riviera Resort. We got the skyliner and the Tower of Terror here in the background. I am on the 7th floor. I'm on room 8784, and that is a deluxe studio room. So it's not a one bedroom, which I prefer. It's a studio, but not a tower studio. And I'm gonna do a room tour for you. Now it is going to be a lived-in room tour, so our stuff is everywhere. This is the second to last day of our vacation, and it's a hot mess in there, so be prepared. Also at the end, I'm going to share some laundry tips. I'm going to share some laundry, not even tips, whatever. Stick around. But really quick, before I go inside, I just want to share with you my view. This is gorgeous. The way this hotel is laid out, almost all of the rooms have a preferred view. So we're seeing, this is, I don't know what this pool is called. It's like the grown-up pool. Nice skyliner view, nice lake view. And then just down there in the corner, off the screen to the left, is the kids pool. Really pretty day today. I'm going to start with a quick pan of the room. So we have this pull down sofa bed, the queen size bed, the door out to the hallway, and the kitchen, the kids bed, and the table. We have been eating dinner at this table. So we've been pulling it over to the bed, and because there's only 2 chairs and there's 3 of us. So one grown-up sits on the bed, the baby sits in the chair, the other grown-up sits in the other chair. Come over here to the kids' bed. Now, our toddler at home sleeps in a toddler bed. So we got these safety rails so that he wouldn't fall out. Well, the very first night, like 3 a.m., he climbs out of bed, and this door out into the hallway, like a lot of light comes in under the door, and he just made a beeline for the door and tried to open it. And so that, I don't know, that gave me lots of adrenaline. So I was up for about an hour after that. But it's really cute. It's kind of Tangled themed without being in your face tangled. And then up top here, we have all of our stuff. Fan for the parks because, ooh, it has been hot this week. Books for the baby to read, sound machine. So this is really nice. Right up here we have 2 regular outlets and 2 USB outlets. Some little toys for the baby, and then diaper changing stuff going on. And here's his bed again. Over here, they do give you a toaster and a coffee pot. We've been doing our dishes, and we got a drink tray, and we've been drying our dishes on a drink tray. You get a microwave. Snacks not included. We brought those, but they do give you like some disposable plates and cups and some bowls. Looks like you get a can opener and a bottle opener. And then over here, what do they give you? Again, snacks not included. Ice bucket. Here's your tea and coffee and accessories. And then here's where, we've got some baby stuff going on in here. Here's where the trash is. I won't open that for you. Here's what we've been using for the trash. They do a good job of emptying daily the trash. Here's the little fridge. So we've got milk and drinks in here. We got all our leftover food. We did go to Gideon's, and we've left a cookie right there. So the baby just comes and takes bites of cookies as he sees fit. And because of that, there's little chocolate handprints everywhere in our room. Like chocolate. Anywho. So over here, I've got my Cpap machine. 2 plugs over here, 2 USB outlets. So I've got my phone charger and my Cpap plugged in. 3 drawers here. And then at the foot of this bed, 2 drawers. This is like a coffee table, but because we have the sofa bed pulled down, it's a base to the sofa bed. So 2 drawers there. And this other nightstand, this is what my husband's been using. So husband and baby have been sleeping in the pull down sofa because of that first night runaway attempt, which means I have this bed all to myself and I love it. So here's his Cpap and his plugs, same as on the other side. So 2 regular plugs and 2 USB plugs, and also 3 drawers. So for all of us, there's 3 of us, 3 nightstand drawers per grown-up, and then 1 drawer like this per grown-up, and then all of the baby stuff is over here. We do have another plug outlet. So my husband, he's got a switch and a tablet, and so he's got stuff plugged in over here as well. And I think one of those is the light up here, probably. Underneath this big bed, lots of room. So the first day the baby crawled under here and I was like, oh, well, baby's just gonna bunk beds. Baby's got bottom bunk. But it kind of smelled bad down there, so not using it. Next we'll go to the little entryway area. So here's the door to the outside. Got some nice little hooks here. We've been putting magic bands here and face masks. They're the rules changed right before we showed up, so a little bit unnecessary. So this door goes to the room next door, and I believe the room next door is a 1-bedroom, and so this could attach to it to have a 2-bedroom. And then in here we've got just a closet, right? So hangers, safe. We've been using the laundry hamper, and then there's the rest of our luggage in there. And on the floor out here, like it looks messy. I'm not sure what the schedule is for bedding, but they had just changed our beds one day, and then that night we had a diaper pee out, so they just gave us an extra set of bedding, and then we changed it ourselves, and it's been sitting here since. They haven't collected it. I don't know what their schedule is. Okay, here we have the split bathroom. So there's a little pocket door in between, which is really cute. So toilet in this room, and then really nice shower in here. It turns out the baby loves to take showers. Like, he takes showers at home, but he's been taking like 2 showers a day just because it's fun for him. So we have the rain shower head and then the regular shower head. And he doesn't say a lot of words, but he says shower now, so that's fun. And then if we go through this pocket door, you get the rest of the bathroom. So here is the sink area, all of our stuff. I always get a cup and make a toothbrush holder for myself. Lots of storage down there. Comes with a hairdryer, that's pretty standard. And then over here we have a bathtub, so also nice for kids. And then there's a shower in here also. So we've been doing, we have towels hanging everywhere. Okay, and that, I believe that concludes our room tour. This is a nice sized room. Oh, one last, maybe 2 last tips. So this is the thermostat, and it lights up like every 30 seconds, and it lights up the whole stinking room when it's dark. So I put this over top after the first night. Also, this, I'm not sure what this is, but it has a blinking light on it that lights up the whole room at nighttime. So I've been sleeping with a sock over my eyes. Last tip for y'all, and that is distilled water for Cpap machines. So it's hit or miss. Some hotels you get your distilled water from the quick service area. Some hotels you get the distilled water from the gift shop. And even when I come back subsequent times, it's different. So this time we got it from La Boutique, which is the, oh, I'm losing my words here. La Boutique, not the food place, the souvenir place. Okay, here is one last time. Here's the view. It's gorgeous, gorgeous weather here today. All week long it's been beautiful. At the Riviera, most of the rooms have a washer dryer. The Tower Studios don't, and the regular studio, I guess Deluxe Studio, the room that we're in. But they have guest laundry on the 4th floor in the East Wing that is free to use, which I thought was really nice. We just came off of the elevators. And here's ice and bending. And then right after is guest laundry. Let's go in and take a look. Inside of the laundry room, we've got a nice little vending machine for your Tide. And I can't tell how much this costs. Let me see. Oh, $1. So $1 to wash your laundry. There are 6 dryers, all complimentary or price included. And then 3 washers. I just used the 2 of these and they were 28 minutes. So I'm coming back to switch over to the dryer. But this is a nice little laundry room. There's a TV up here. It's not turned on, but I don't know. Maybe if I needed to escape my family, I'd come and sit in one of these little chairs and watch TV. Okay, I just added my wet clothes to this top one and this bottom one. And let's see if we can do this without me being absolutely ridiculous. No promises. Oh, easy, okay. Easy. All right, I'll come back in an hour. Well, I am on vacation, so I'm gonna go hit the pool right now. Thanks for sticking with me this long. I don't know if I've said this already, but it's February, so I think today's the 24th. We're at the Riviera, and we're just having so much fun here. I love it. Thanks.